This is a Simplicity 627. Yeah, front. Not the original front. As you can see, pushing the button to the mower deck. Back. Head unit. Tires. Yeah. Pretty nice. Okay, let's go to another place. We're quiet here. This is my friend's tractor. As you can see, we're in the process of taking it apart. It's a Hahn Eclipse Gt.700, and he hasn't found any information about it, but there's the engine. Can't see it that well. The hood, nice look. My tractor again. So blurry. Battery. Works. Steering wheel. Platform. Over there. My Simplicity coronet. This mower. Yeah. Work in progress. Right here is the transmission under here. Took it off. The pulley. Yeah. That's where the cup holder was.
I think you need some new rings.
What do I need new rings for?
Because it's burning oil.
That's not very good. As you can see, burning oil is not very good. That means it's not using gas. It's Listen to this guy, he knows. Uses gas and oil. That make you feel better?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't like this one. I don't like my dad's. This thing's better. Definitely needs a new paint job. Definitely needs a new seat cover.
Yeah.
That is the seat cover over there. These can't really see that.
These are the bolts of the transmission.
Yeah, you can't see those. My oil can. Yes. Dad's truck. I don't remember that. Let's see. Wheelbarrow. Which we used yesterday. Whatever. Okay. Used a mower deck. Yes, it's the mower deck to my tractor. But whenever you turned it on, right, Cody? Whenever you turn the mower deck on,
the belt would slip.
And it would shut off.
And then it shredded.
Yeah, it actually did. Yeah, didn't it shred it? That was funny. Thing shuts off. It's a broom. Well, I like this one better. Well, that was.
Yeah, I'm getting Caterpillar yellow for it.
You're getting Caterpillar yellow for it? I thought you said you were getting John Deere yellow.
Well, I don't know.
Well, that ends today's, well, what is this called? Show. Yes.
The tractor kids.
Whatever. Bye.